Hey there, YouTube fans. AC Productions here, and today I'm going to be talking about a GPS tracker. Now, ever since I got into motorcycling back in 2015, I was really surprised on how many bikes actually get stolen every single year. And ever since then, I've been trying to look for a GPS tracker to prevent that. Now, it took me a long time, and I bought so many products over the years, and all of them failed. A lot of them were Chinese made, a lot of them poor quality, and a lot of them use like really old technology. And not until just recently I came across a very short video that contained an image of this one here. Now, it didn't really say much on the video, so I started doing a little bit of research on this company and actually found out that they actually have a up-to-date GPS tracker for motorcycles, and they also have alarm systems. So if you're looking to have an alarm system, I'll have a picture up here and over here on the different types of alarm systems that they have, and then they also have this one, which is a GPS tracker. Now, this particular one is called Rlink, and it says forever. Now, what that means is that Rlink had paired up with a company called Rever, and they seems to be the largest motorcycle community in the United States, which is pretty cool because this thing offers so much features on there. It's just really hard to get to it in all one video. It won't be in this video. So I'm going to be breaking up the video in 4 parts. Now, the first part you're watching right now. The second part is going to be on how to install the wire harness. The third part is going to be on how to pair your phone with the Rever app and get its subscription base. So I'll show you how to do all that, and also how to pair it with the GPS module. And then the fourth video is going to be showing you all the features that Rever offers. So this is just going to be pretty much a very small short video on pretty much somewhat of an unboxing of this product. So let's go ahead and open up the box, and we'll put this over here. And then if you look inside, here is the GPS module. Now it's pretty small, and you'll have over here, it's going to be 2 inches by 4 inches from this part to this part over here. You know, but actually this one's a little bit smaller than the ones I have tested out before that were no good. Other than that, there is a barcode on the back of this that you would need to scan to register your device, but that's going to be on a different video, but just letting you know right now. But also, the good thing about this GPS system is that it will, when it connects to your phone, it warns you about everything. And also, if someone were to steal your bike and then find this and cut the cables where these are plugged into, there's actually a backup battery inside of here. So even if they were to clip the cables, you're still going to get notifications to your phone live, and also live tracking on a map. So even though if they clip the wires, you're still going to get, you know, feedback and whereabouts of where your bike is. So that's another cool thing about it. So this module, it's offered for United States, North America, and international. So when you're gonna order, I'll have a link in the description below for this one, and also the alarm systems that they offer. So when you're selecting this product, this GPS tracker, you want to make sure that you select for the region of where you live. Also, this is going to be a subscription-based plan, and they actually make it very affordable for the consumer. And you'd be surprised on how not that expensive and very affordable they make the plans. They offer a monthly plan where you pay every month, or they also offer a yearly plan where you pay every year, and then they offer a 2-year plan where you pay every 2 years. Now, here is a list of everything that this Rlink features, and I'll go down the list here with you guys. Now, this offers a find your bike anywhere in the world. You get the powerful real-time security alerts, 24/7 real-time motorcycle diagnostics, meaning that if your bike has, gets tilted, or the battery's really low, or it's been disconnected from the battery, you're going to get an alert. You also get 24/7 real-time motorcycle tracking. So if your bike gets taken or stolen, meaning that maybe a family member or someone moved your bike, it'll alert you that your motorcycle is being moved. If your motorcycle is being stolen, it'll also give you another notification that your motorcycle is really out of its location, and actually shows you in real time on the map where your bike is going. Next, we got automatically track all rides and unlimited cloud storage. That just means that when you do a ride, you could actually track your ride. So meaning that you say you're out with a group of friends, or you just met a new group of riders, and you guys are going to hit up some nice twisty roads or country roads, and you kind of just want to save that route. So all you can do on the app is click track ride, and it'll actually save the pathway that you take on your motorcycle. You also get 24/7 real-time theft map for authorities and theft recovery. Now, in detail on that one, say your motorcycle gets stolen, you could actually get a code that you could give to your police department, and the police will actually help track your motorcycle and actually arrest whoever took your bike, which is a really cool thing. You have the unlimited data subscription, so that's the subscription thing I was talking about earlier with the 3 different types, which is monthly, yearly, or every 2 years. You're going to get unlimited text messages for the theft alerts, and then also the unlimited theft alerts via push notifications. What that means that your Rlink device GPS tracker is always going to be communicating to the bike, from your bike to your phone at all times with the data plan. So if anything were to happen within that time, that's always communicating, you're always going to get a text message when that happens. You could also find friends during rides. So on that Rever app that I was talking about a little bit earlier, you can actually find other members that are on that website to link up with. You won't be alone if you ever wanted to go on a ride. You could connect with other people who also are on this website, or you could connect with a community of motorcycles. So that's all available for you. You could also create rides, you could share rides, copy rides. Copying rides meaning that someone else took a ride and you could see it in a little map on the website, either through your phone or on a desktop or laptop computer. You could actually see the route that they take. And if it's something that you're looking to implement in your phone, you could actually copy that ride onto your phone. This is also obviously going to be connected to your mobile. There's a mobile app which is Rever. You could also upload map files. You could join groups, what I was talking about before. You could join challenges. Now the challenges, what they have is on the app itself. So when you go into it, it actually shows some challenges, and if you choose to accept it, it's pretty cool. I haven't really done that or checked it out yet because it is still cold here in Chicago, but that looks like a lot of fun, and I can't wait to try that once it gets warmer here. You also have live friends tracking. You could track friends' rides, and then you also have something called the Butler Map segment. So when you click on that, it shows different maps. You have offline maps. You could export the GPX file, which is a route. Like say you did a route and it's pretty much saved as a GPX file. You can create groups. You could add free experience and automated security alert. So that's pretty much it for everything that the Rlink GPS tracker offers, along with the Rever app. So like I said, this device, it's actually really cool, and I'm so glad I found it. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've been trying to look for something that's this good. Well, when I found this one even turned out a lot better than what I thought. Another good thing about this is that the customer service is really good. You actually respond within, I would say, a day. So that's really good on the customer service. If you have any questions, you could contact them and they'll be more than happy to answer you back pretty quickly. So I think that pretty much covers this small unboxing. I try not to make it too long, and like I said, there's just so much features on it, and I wanted to break up the video so that way you're not spending a whole hour just watching my videos and trying to get to the good parts. For the features video, since there's just so many features for this GPS tracker, I'll try to do my best on getting the video out as fast as I can, and maybe breaking it up with timestamps. So say there's a specific thing that you're looking for in the features, and you kind of just want to get to it quickly. If you go down to the description below the video, I'll try to have some timestamps of the titles of what I'm going to be talking about. So that way you don't have to go through the whole video, and you could kind of just go to that particular subject and check out the features. So like I said, the features are available on the phone, and also you'll have access through a laptop or desktop computer, and there'll be even more features there. So there's just so much with this GPS tracker, which is really cool. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys are up to date with my latest video. And thank you for watching.